Alright, YouTube, it's ProPaintballer6677, and today I just got a package from Airsoft GI, so I'm gonna go ahead, open the box up, and show you what's inside. Okay, so now I have the box kind of open to a point that I can do this. Sorry, this is a one-hand unboxing, using my phone, my iPhone 4. Let's see some BBs. Alright, so these are TSD 0.23 grams. I use them in my my pistol here, the wonderful pistol. I got 5,000 of them. They were $12, I believe, which is not a bad deal at all. We got some tracking information, junk like that. And then we have the black slide display barrel extension. So let's open it up, see what it looks like. Nice, we got a Mad Bull sticker here, and we have the barrel extension. Wow, that is really cool. There it is. It's made, licensed by Gemtech, Boise, Idaho. So let me go ahead and throw this on my my gun. So threads are counter clockwise. So to screw it on, we go like really hard to do one-handed. There you go. That is awesome. That is so cool. I'll do a shooting video with it on soon. That is just really awesome. It doesn't really put much weight to the gun. I mean, you can feel a little bit of a difference. Other than that, this is a really awesome feeling gun. So, that's it for the unboxing of the Gemtech suppressor. See ya.